you guys. It's you guys that you will run mad. Nobody is after the movie, whatever. If you like, go and produce your movie in heaven. We don't care.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ kú àsìkò yìí ẹ kú dédé ìwòyí nínú fídíò tí ẹ ń wò lónìí arábìnrin tí ẹ ń wò nínú fídíò yìí ní gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí LIZZY ANJORIN ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nínú fídíò tí ẹ ń wò lónìí yìí ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ gan ni nínú ìwé kọ́bọ̀ fídíò yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ dákun ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé láti gbọ́ bí LIZZY ANJORIN ṣe tú àṣírí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa ohun gangan fúnra rẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ farabalẹ̀ láti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ń wò yìí.
I don't need to destroy anybody's life before I sell my market. I am the most bullied celebrity in the whole world. Most scrutinized, most bullied in the whole Nigeria, in the whole Lagos, in the whole Africa. Yet, I am doing wonderfully well. Without single media support. I am the only celebrity with zero media support that is winning back to back. Ilé tá bá fi tọ́mọ, èrì ló máa wò. If your foundation is based on tricks, lies, and destruction, you will end up in destruction. When I was selling properties, selling clothes, selling this, doing movies, living my life as a celebrity, lots of bloggers scrutinizing me, digging me so hard. Imagine if I had lived a very terrible life. Imagine if I have lived a drugs life or going from one club to another. That is how they will be bringing my receipt. Even without anybody bringing receipt, I will just keep quiet. And that is how the whole world would have swallowed me. But because my foundation is so strong, my foundation is based on truth, right from the day one of my life. All my ìgbìyànjú is to make my mama proud. I have never done anything because of clout chasing, because I want people to see me as a rich person. No! My foundation is so strong. And that is why I've been able to conquer all the blackmailers. Now, you said go and check LIZZY ANJORIN, your Mifabi post. They wrote karma. This is too much. Or even at the point of death. Did you listen to yourself? Are you telling us what you did to me 2019 based on karma? For you to have wrote this, ever faithful, it shows that you guys set me up 2019 for real. Why are you so scared of karma? A lot of people, they've come here to swear for my enemies, swear for my enemies' children. I never accepted any causes or any moves or because I didn't do anybody any bad thing. For you to have accepted that what is happening to you is karma means you've accepted that you surely did me wrong. So if anybody come out tomorrow and say karma, karma, karma. When I gave birth, people said karma, karma, karma. I said no. There was nothing like karma. I gave birth in Florida, United States of America. And they came out and said, Emiko ni mo lomo o, Emiko ni mo lomo o. I have never accepted any karma because deep down in me, if I search my heart, I realize my heart is pure. My heart is pure to everybody. I have never yokeleke. When somebody came out that LIZZY paid me to kill person, LIZZY paid me to destroy this. Are you guys trying to divert us from TVC because TVC work from Gistlover? Are you guys telling us that the karma hitting you guys now? Because LIZZY ANJORIN has been able to stand up and face you. If anything happened to anybody, people will say karma, 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 karma. I have been saying this is not karma. No karma has ever come to me because I've been searching my mind. I have never done anybody any wrong. So you now, faithful, is now literally Twitter 1 minute. Leyon kan ṣe fẹ́ kú. Ẹ dẹ̀ pawọ́pọ̀ lé LIZZY lórí for over 7 years now. And nobody has ever come out pé karma o, wọ́n fẹ́ pa LIZZY o, wọ́n fẹ́ pa èèyàn kan o. Just 1 minute Twitter. Gistlover. Just 1 minute Twitter. Okay, LIZZY tó wá jẹ́ pé ńgbà tí wọ́n ṣe tí Dorcas ń sọ pé ọmọ òun máa kú, ẹ̀yin ló ń dáwó níbẹ̀. Have I come here to drag you or to drag anybody's name? And you said you people never know their strategy. Which strategy? I don't even know you guys are doing anything. I don't even know you are doing movie. I don't know anything. Me that I'm looking for money to do my estate. Do you know how much I'm selling per plot? A plot of land in my estate. We shoot 10 movies that will go to Netflix. All these fabrics that I'm selling. Oh, okay, no, let me show you a fabric. Come and take this fabric. I don't know. It's only this Yoruba people that Eshimuni Soso. Kilo came at him. He said, you people never know their strategy. They want it to affect their movie in December. Which movie? Do you need to destroy people because you want to sell movie in December?